In our project, we use two sensors for detecting motion and the gas in the room, and also Xilinx FPGA Spartan 3E for process the output. We use the PIR sensors for detecting the motion in the room. This sensor, it works with the body heat, and it can detect any motion that happens in the room. For the smoke part, we use the MQ9 sensor for detecting carbon monoxide and also methane. In our project, we use this sensor to detect the methane. This is the whole our flowchart of project to show the process that we used in our project. As you can see, there are two different sensors. The first one is the gas detect sensor that we implemented in two different ways. The first way, we use the amplifier and ADC part to calculate the exact amount of gas density in the room, and we use the LEDs to show the amount of the gas. And also in the second way, we use the external interrupt to compare. We define the one limit for the gas in the room, and we continuously compare this amount with the amount of gas, for example 500 ppm for a methane, and whenever the gas in the room exceeds from this number, it sends the external interrupt to the FPGA waveform. Also, we use the motion detector that if there is any motion happening in the room, we use the external interrupt and turn on the LED on the FPGA board. Actually, whenever we have any external interrupt, we must use the microblazer MCS core to detect this external interrupt. And for transferring the data, we use the serial port. For using the serial port, we must use again the microblaze embedded processor to send the data through a serial port. We can use the serial port to connect to another module, for example telecommunication module, but in our project we use the hyperterminal to show the data in the computer, this one. And right now I'm clear the screen. I tried to show you a demo for our project. We tried to show you one detecting the motion in the room. You can see whenever there is motion, the message pop up in the monitor and LED number 2 is turned on. Also, right now I use the lighter to show you the smoke detector or the methane detector sensor. You can see whenever it's exceeds the limit, the LED number 2 is turned on, and also the message pop up into the hyperterminal. Okay, I tried with the gas sensor one more time to show you both of them, both the hyperterminal and the sensor at the same time. You can see the message pop-ups again and LEDs turn on. I try with the motion detector one more time. Okay, you can see the motion. It shows that some movement in this room happened and LEDs turn on. This is our project. Thank you.